MUKUKULUME Online TV present. We are continuing with our campaign, searching information from place to place. Today we are at Tshakhuma village. Tshakhuma is situated between Makhado and Thohoyandou towns. Tshakhuma is an international fruit and vegetable market. This market operates 24/7 with no holiday. Not only fruit and vegetable are found, even chickens. Tshakhuma market has been operating for more than 80 years historically. Tshakhuma also have different interesting places like Dam View, Mangwele Cave, miracle mountains like Matombongwende, and so indigenous trees. In Tshakhuma there is fertile soil and enough water in all mountains. Some mountains were used to save people's life during olden days wars. Today we are at Tshakhuma Diambele village, visiting a well-known South African icon for both education, community developments, and water projects. That's Mama Florance Negondeni.